Contactless payments. We've all been there. You tap your card, you tap your Apple Pay until you can tap no more. You wake up in the morning tapping on regrets because you didn't go and check your bank account before you tap your life away. And if you haven't been through this, you're too adult for me. Keep scrolling. But have you ever thought about how it actually works behind the scenes? Because I have. But before we get into all that, let's go into some fun facts. Did you know that contactless payments actually has been around since the 1990s, particularly starting with the mobile gas station? Mobile, not mobile, sorry. They used their contactless payment system called SpeedPass in 1997 to speed up transactions at the pump. So now that we got the fun fact out of the way, let's get into it. So what happens? You tap your card, you tap your phone, it awakens the system. A signal is sent, NFC, near field communication. It creates a secure bridge for your payment information to go through. Then a unique secure code is being transmitted through the networks. And there's a digital handshake confirming your identity and the payment amount. The code races through a secure network to your bank, and almost instantly, the bank verifies. If the funds are available, the bank sends approval. If the funds aren't available, the bank sends embarrassment. And that's pretty much it. Tap, NFC, handshake, authorization, approval, or denial. All in the seconds that it takes to tap your card.